flatten a deeply nested object. See here, this user profile is our input object. It is nested multiple levels. See, user profile have an info level inside. Info contact is there, and phone is there, and then reference is also deeply nested. Then security is there, and there is a tag which is an array, and we are flattening it to make the output like this. Everything is like a single level, no nest. So let's dive deep into the coding part, guys. Let's start coding, guys. So this is our deeply nested object. So I'm minimizing it. Yeah, let's create a function. I'm naming it flatten object, and this will take uh, input parameter. First one is object, second one is a parent key. So we will get into that, and the third one is the result, which we eventually return. Let's return it first. Also, we are recursively finding if it's a deep one, it is like a nested part. We will recursively call this function again and again, and to find the solution. So first, let's loop through the object. So for let in obj. Okay. So let's see what is inside it. Console. Okay, not neither that. Let's say const new. We are creating a new key if it is like if it the this function will have a parent key like here if it is like info have nothing, no parent key, it is null. But if it's a contact, we need info dot contact. So for the contact, this object, the parent key will be info. That is the way. So let's see. For once new key equal to if parent key is the parent key. Parent key is there. We need parent key dot key. It should be the final key. So parent key dot current. Oops, just the key will be the key. Okay, now value const value. It's very simple. Obj of key. Okay, now if the value is another object, nested object, what should we do? That's our part. That we will handle in this if condition. What about the else part? If not nested, like a direct value, just put result of key. Result of key equals the result of new key. Okay, both will work actually. Equal to value. Let's see what will happen to this. Okay, yeah, this is the part. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we got ID as it is. Info is like this. You see, we got it like that, but still, this is almost same as our input. Info, you got it. Image, contact is a nested object. Nothing is done actually. So we need to put the if condition. Let's see what we can do. If type of value equals object And we can do one thing. Value not equals null. We can call this function recursively flattenObject with value comma was. Let's see what it is doing. Okay, everything is perfect in this except here. That array is also, we need an array as it is. So, like a tax is an array, but in JavaScript, everything is an object. So we have to handle is it is an array or not. So if it is an array, we shouldn't recursively call this if path, and it should be directly assigned. So we can make use of array.isArray. So that array dot is array of value. If it is a false, then only we will go here. Else it will be like this. See, tags is also handled perfectly. Yes, that's pretty much it. Hope it was helpful.